So hey everyone, in this video we will see EE TV Box Pro tips and tricks, best settings, hidden features and shortcuts. EE TV Box Pro tips and tricks. Enable 4K plus HDR plus frame rate match, then clear cache to keep up box fast. Use voice search and remote shortcuts. Turn on HDMI CEC plus data saver. Use 5 GHz Wi-Fi for smoother streaming. So picture and display settings. Go to settings, then display and sound. Turn auto resolution or 4K on. Enable HDR for brighter colors and deeper contrast. Set match frame rate on. Choose cinema or movie mode for natural colors. Smoother playback plus clearer image, especially on Netflix, Prime Video and YouTube. So speed and performance boost. If the TV box feels slow, go to settings, then app. Then clear cache for heavy apps like YouTube, Netflix, etc. Then remove unused app running in background. Restart the box once every few days. Turn off animation effects, developer options, navigation become faster. So the third one is remote control shortcuts. Useful shortcut: hold mic button, voice search app or shows instantly, home button long press, quick recent tabs, double back press, close app faster, settings button, quick access menu. Voice example is open YouTube, play Tamil movies and search action films. Fourth one is hidden features you should enable. Parental control, restrict content for kids, data saver mode, reduce buffering on slow Wi-Fi, HDMI CEC, use one remote for TV plus box, auto sleep timer, saves power. Go to settings, then device preference to find most of them. Fifth one is Wi-Fi and streaming stability tips. For fewer buffering issues, keep TV box close to router. Use 5 GHz Wi-Fi instead of 2.4 GHz. Restart router weekly. Use Ethernet cable if possible. Bonus pro tips. Many EE Box Pro users don't know. In accessibility settings, enable quick menu. Give instant access to brightness, sound and shortcut without opening full setting. Thank you.